From discarded waste to perfect spheres, advanced recycling technology creates premium glass marbles for a new generation to enjoy.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
The glass scrap now enters the washing machines, where high-pressure water sprays remove dust, dirt, and labels, ensuring perfect cleanliness.
The moisture levels are stabilizing in Zone 3.
Confirmed. Adjusting the blower speed now.
The cullet weight is stabilizing right on target.
Good, let's maintain the flow rate for the next batch.
Measured glass cullet is blended with silica sand and other minerals inside this massive automated mixing machine, creating the perfect raw material. The perfectly mixed glass batch is transported deep into the furnace, where bright orange flames raise the temperature above 1500 degrees Celsius. The cooled glass marbles travel down the line, undergoing intense scrutiny. High-speed cameras scan every surface for imperfections. Organized rows of brilliant glass marbles move swiftly along the stainless steel conveyor, where our team conducts random sample inspections.
Check the consistency on the blue one.
Roundness is slightly off. Reject.
The powerful hot air drying tunnel removes every drop of moisture, ensuring a perfectly dry and crystal clear finish.
The Automacial sealing machine.
Is that the final pallet for the incoming shipment?
Yes, the system updated automatically. This shipment is secure and the count is verified. Good. Let's get the BOL signed off.
All right, manifests say 20 pallets, destination code 3, is that correct? Yes, boss. All accounted for and secured. Easy now, watch the weight on that one. Copy, taking it slow. Here are the invoices for the latest marble orders. Looks good. Make sure the supermarket shipment goes out first. Looks good here, all secure. All right, closing the doors.
Look at the giant blue one!
This mesh bag has way more than the box.
Okay, let's get the big one then.
These are our finest quality marbles. Notice the incredibly smooth finish and how vibrant the colors are. They really do catch the light beautifully.
Here's your receipt and your bag.
Thanks so much.
Did you get the big blue one?
Yes, I did. We found the perfect glass marble. Let's go home and try it out.
Look at these! They're like little galaxies!
Wow, can we get them, please? Look, Dad, the blue ones. Can we get these?
Sure, son. Grab a bag.
Keep them moving. We got 3 more trucks coming in.
Watch your back with that jack.
Yeah, I see them. Stacking this row now.
Discover the wonder of colorful glass marbles, delighting customers of all ages across the city.
Look at this blue one. I like the shiny ones in this bag better.
Sivalinks. The journey begins with intense heat, shaping the raw material into perfect spheres. Polished and inspected,
The manifest says 50 boxes, but I only count 48 here. The scanner confirms the count and the wrap is secure. All right, sign off for dispatch.
This one goes to Dock 7.
All right, I'll clear the way for you.
All right, bring it back easy now. That's good. Okay, let's get this pallet moving.
Watch the turn, I'm almost clear.
Scan complete on this side. Inventory updated.
Cartons of glass marbles are carefully loaded and secured before the trucks depart for local distribution.
Here are the last boxes of the Cosmic Swirls. Perfect timing, thank you. These are beautiful, aren't they? They really sparkle. I think the customers will love this display.
That'll be $12.50. Did you find everything all right today?
Yes, we did, thank you.
Great. Here you go.
These Galaxy Swirl marbles are very popular this week.
I really like the blue ones, Papa.
We'll take this pack.
Freshly stocked. Go ahead, take a look. Wow, look at the blue ones.
All right, that's the last one. Your total is $14.50. Here's my card. Thank you. Here's your receipt in your bag. Have a nice day. Thanks, you too.
Here they come. Wow, look at all the colors. I want the big yellow one.
Wow, look at that one!
I got it, I won!
This blue one is my favorite.